Before heading out on the road, there are a few things you'll want to know: how to get where you're going, and if you'll be protected along the way. Most people will look for full coverage insurance to protect their vehicles. But what exactly does full coverage insurance mean? Insurance agents commonly refer to full coverage insurance as the combination of collision and comprehensive coverage. So what do these cover? Collision coverage insures against damages caused by a vehicle in a collision, like rear-ending someone or running into a tree. Comprehensive coverage, sometimes known as other than collision, covers damages from theft or vandalism, severe weather, or collision or damage involving an animal. Full coverage insurance is intended to protect your vehicle from most road accidents. If you are financing a vehicle, you will be required to carry full coverage insurance at minimum. If you own your own vehicle, full coverage insurance is not needed but recommended, especially if your vehicle is worth more than $4,000. However, there are some things full coverage does not cover, such as liability, an uninsured motorist, medical payments, personal injury protection, roadside assistance, rental car reimbursement, custom coverage for modified parts, or gap insurance. If you want additional insurance outside of full coverage to protect yourself or your vehicle, you can always add to your policy. It's always good to plan ahead, so make sure you have the policies you need to keep you on the road and on your way. Ready to protect your vehicle? Visit the Zebra to compare insurance rates today.